What's that?
Bolt for a content? We got pulled about a month ago. He said they were stripped.
What did he do with it?
They pulled the axle.
Oh.
I can't see them.
Yeah, I don't know. The creepers on this side. We'll see how stripped they are. Can I use the small forks? This is the tester, Craig.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna back up a little bit. It's a little key. I have to back up a little bit more to the left here. Oh, you're not gonna be able to get underneath it? How far back? I just want to be put on T-bar. Not on the actual boom. Good?
Right on, kid. You're right on it.
10-4. Good? Here. Good? Just toss it, I'll get it.
Well, I'm gonna grab it too. So I'm not on the fucking wet ass ground.
That creeper is right in there if you want to use it. See if we can't back feed some air here. Hey Craig, wanna hit the, never mind. Nothing, I'm gonna get the, try to release the trailer. There it goes. Building up air now. I'll release the brakes. Got 1,000,000 miles on it.
Did they find a starter?
What's that?
Did they find a starter?
I gotta get the part number, buddy. I gotta get the number off the starter. I'm sure, I guarantee you we're gonna get it. Yeah, you'll have it. So you got 1,000,000 miles on it, huh?
Yeah. Everything, alternator, air conditioner, all that being replaced here lately.
Oh yeah?
And now the starter, so we're getting a new truck.
Yeah. And we're gonna just tow this guy in back to our shop, replace the starter for him. Get him up and going here. We don't even do much but move the truck, so we'll just go ahead and stop that. Yeah, go for Cody. What? What'd you say? Oh, okay. All right. All right, cool. Okay, you weren't able to touch it to see if it would work? Okay. All right, 10-4. All right. All right. Hey, I'm gonna suck it forward, Craig. I'm gonna pull it up. Oh yeah, he leaks air anyway. have to go down with it a little bit. Are you getting wet?
They look rounded, but the back of the bolt doesn't look too bad.
Why the? What the hell that's about? Put some lubricant on there. Run this airline real quick. So we have brakes to this loaded little trailer. What's it looking like? Huh?
Two of them I can get right on. Two of them I think I can put that right on.
Hold on, I got a small socket, a half socket that you can beat on there. It's in a black case. I got an extension you'll probably need too, guys. Hey, and then if not, I've actually, look at, I found my whole set. Nice. It was in the shop. Oh, you can get that right on there.
This one?
Yeah. No what? Stripped out?
Yep.
You want to try to use one of these? I'm going to have to use this one for the hat. Or does it got to be bigger than that one?
Yeah, you got a big one?
Yeah, I got a 13 one. This one's big 13. Bigger?
Yeah.
Dang. This one here? Yeah, yeah. Oh shit.
Never do sucks.
Yeah, let me
Here, I can go on the other side, can I got it? Go ahead. Nope.
No?
Axis.
Alright. Time to pull him. Okay. What? Yeah, I know. They're already released, right now?
What's that?
Tried to remove the drive shaft there. They're pretty stripped in there. I don't know if it's all of them or not. Side of that one over there. Let me get this one.
I don't think there's any in the back.
No? No, you're right. Good deal. He's got a pretty good air leak anyhow. Go ahead. Inch and an eighth maybe? Inch and an eighth it is. There ain't much fluid in there. Doesn't look like anybody topped it off. Want to just strap these up here?
Yeah. Make sure you get the order they go in. They different size.
Oh yeah. Yep. We'll definitely keep close attention. You want me to center them more so then the strap can be... Okay. Down underneath, hook it. One and done. I'll get this creeper real quick. You want to start strapping that strap right there? Oh yeah. This is our truck stop around here. Lazy ass truckers. Got to throw some axle covers on real quick. We'll get back to you guys here in just a little bit when I'm dropping her off at the shop. See you in a few.